For horizontal concrete cracks, choose a flexible, low-modulus, self-leveling polyurethane or polymer-modified cementitious sealant that bonds well to concrete and tolerates movement. Use a self-leveling polyurethane or a polymer-modified cementitious product, depending on the crack width and traffic. For narrow hairline cracks up to 1/4 inch, a capillary penetrating polymer or a low-viscosity polyurethane can fill and bond without needing backer rod. For wider cracks from 1/4 inch to 1 inch, use a true self-leveling polyurethane or a semi-self-leveling elastomeric sealant so the material settles flush with the slab and resists vehicle and foot traffic. Always remove loose debris and latents by wire brushing or using a stiff bristle broom, then clean with a pressure rinse or solvent wipe and allow the concrete to fully dry because moisture prevents proper polymer adhesion. If the crack is deeper than 3/4 inch, insert a closed cell foam backer rod to control sealant depth and prevent three-sided adhesion, which causes premature failure. For joints or cracks that experience static load from heavy tires, choose a polyurethane with a higher shore, a softness for movement accommodation, and a proven elongation percentage above 300%, and follow manufacturer cure times before loading the area. Apply sealant at temperatures within the product specified range and tool the bead if required. And always read the technical data sheet for surface preparation, primer needs, and expected cure and return to service times. Common mistakes start with poor surface preparation, which leads to delamination and early failure. Fix this by mechanically cleaning to solid substrate and ensuring the crack is dry before sealing. A second frequent issue is using a non-self-leveling or too stiff product in horizontal cracks, which results in high spots or poor joint movement. Choose a true self-leveling polyurethane or use a semi-self-leveling option and control depth with backer rod. The third common problem is ignoring recommended joint depth to width ratio, which causes three-sided adhesion and reduces elasticity. Control sealant depth with closed cell backer rod, and follow the product guidance on bead geometry. We run bighomeprojects.com to connect homeowners and contractors around projects like concrete repair and product selection. And our site helps homeowners find local professionals while giving contractors a place to find work. We also host an active discussion community where we and other members share hands-on tips, product experiences, and installation advice.